fundamental to life, enables individuals to access and realize all of life's opportunities. The Government of India runs one of the world's largest food safety nets. More than 500,000 outlets, called Fair Price Shops, provide subsidized grain to over 800 million people across the country using biometric-enabled digital infrastructure. One of the challenges that persists comes with the manual weighing and distribution. Beneficiaries must wait long hours to arrive at their turn and run the risk of receiving less quantity than entitled due to inaccuracies in measurement.
पहले बहुत घंटों तक लाइन में खड़े रहते थे, नंबर भी नहीं आता था और पीछे से कोई भी आगे आके ले लेता था राशन।
However, one such shop in Shillong, Meghalaya has another story to tell. Beneficiaries here do not have to wait in queue or depend on a manual weighing scale. Instead, they visit whenever convenient and receive their share at the press of a button. This is Annapurti, an automated grain dispensing machine, an innovative made-in-India solution designed by the World Food Programme in partnership with the Government of India.
मिसिंग से तो बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि जल्दी हो जाता है। पहले तो थोड़ा कमती भी आता था, थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी आता था, ऐसा होता था। अभी तो मिसिंग से पूरा 25 kg ऐसे आता है।
The World Food Programme has transformed the way food is distributed, introducing a cutting-edge, fully automated system that operates around the clock. Building on valuable feedback and successful pilots, Annapurti has evolved into a standalone solution, providing 24/7 access to food grains. This innovative technology has been launched in 2 locations, Bhavnagar, Gujarat and Bhubaneswar in Odisha. With the Bhavnagar launch inaugurated in September 2024 as part of the Annapurti Grain ATM initiative. The Annapurti system is particularly suited for areas with high migrant population footfall, providing beneficiaries with convenient access to their entitlements at their preferred time. Enhanced with additional components, it now has an increased total capacity of 2.7 metric tons per single refill. Annapurti has been integrated with the Government of India's Aadhaar-based biometric authentication system that allows dispensation of commodities at the touch of a finger.
Everybody has a work, no? If 24 hours it will be open, then there will be no problem for anybody. So anytime they can take, that's the main thing. There will be no tensions, accuracy is correct and there is no wastage also. That's the main benefit.
It dispenses grain at a speed of 25 to 30 kilograms in 30 seconds and has considerably reduced waiting time. Annapurti also encourages the utilization of the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme that enables migrants to access food grains from any fair price shop in the country.
भाई जैसे राशन कार्ड तो ऑनलाइन होता है, कहीं से भी मिल जाएगा। तो अब यहाँ जैसे रह रहे हैं तो यहाँ मिल जाता है, कोई दिक्कत तो होती नहीं, हर महीने मिल जाता है। इसमें लगाओ बोरी भर से भर गई। ये अच्छा है इस सिस्टम का, देहातों में पहुँच जाएगा, बहुत बढ़िया रहेगा।
वर्ल्ड फूड प्रोग्राम हमेशा लाभार्थियों के लिए काम करता है। उसकी अन्नपूर्ति मशीन जो ग्रेन एटीएम के नाम से हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, उसका उद्देश्य है कि लाभार्थियों को, उपभोक्ताओं को 100% खाद्यान्न पूरी मात्रा में मिल सके।
A lot of fair price shops also have expressed their interest to install this machine because at the end of the day it'll save them, the labor costs, it'll save them time, it'll give them efficiencies.
अन्नपूर्ति मशीन का देश के कोने-कोने में होना चाहिए, हमारे हिसाब से जरूरी है।
देश में हर जगह, हर कोने-कोने, हर ग्रामीण गांव, वहाँ पे भी मशीनों को होना बहुत जरूरी है।
When scaled up, Annapurti aims to strengthen last-mile distribution of grains in India, ensuring food security and empowering millions of lives across the country.